Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to set paper margins in Excel for printing. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Excel workbook. Then we go to the page layout menu, select the margin drop down menu. We can see here many margin style. Now I am select the last custom scaling option. Then go to the file menu, select the print option. Then we can see we change the page margin from printing in Excel very easily. You can change the size of page. You can select the legal or the letter or A4 etc. You can change the orientation like landscape or the portrait. Now we can see we set paper margin in Excel very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.